Hey, it's Kevin here. And what if I told you there's a sneaky yet completely legal way people are making $500 a week by flipping things they get absolutely free? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how they're doing it and reveal the simple strategy you can use to start cashing in right away. And you won't believe the valuable items people actually give away for nothing. Yeah, I'll show you some eye-opening examples in just a bit. First things first, what exactly is flipping free stuff? Simply put, it's finding items that others are giving away for free, then reselling those items online for a profit. People are quietly making hundreds of dollars each week doing this, and the best part is you don't need any special skills or money up front. But how exactly do you find these free items, and what kind of treasures can you realistically flip for good profits? Stick around, because I'm going to break it down step by step. Now, imagine someone handing you a $100 bill. Would you take it? Of course you would. Well, every single day, people are essentially handing out money in the form of valuable items they simply want to get rid of. One of the best places to find these hidden gems is Facebook Marketplace. Every day, countless users list items for free, from furniture to electronics, just because they need space or don't want the hassle of selling. But here's the twist: timing is everything. If you want to snag the best free items on Facebook Marketplace, you need to act fast. Make sure you turn on notifications and check listings multiple times throughout the day. I'll reveal a simple technique later to automate this process, but first, what kinds of items should you actually be looking for? Furniture is one of the best and most profitable categories. Believe it or not, people often give away perfectly good couches, desks, and tables just because they're moving or redecorating. With a bit of cleaning and some good photos, you can easily flip these items on the same platform for $50 to $100 each, sometimes even more. And speaking of profitable finds, another goldmine is electronics. People frequently list working TVs, game consoles, and even laptops as free, simply because they upgraded or think the item has minor issues. Often, a quick fix or even just resetting the device is enough to get it back in great shape. But how do you know if an electronic item listed as free is actually worth picking up? I'll give you an easy tip for checking this in just a moment. Now, let's quickly talk about another surprisingly lucrative category: baby items. Strollers, cribs, car seats. Parents give away tons of these items because kids grow fast and they just want the clutter gone. But here's the question: how can you quickly verify the safety and quality of baby items to ensure you're flipping responsibly? I'll explain exactly how to do that safely shortly. And here's something else many people overlook: outdoor and sports equipment. Bikes, treadmills, grills, and camping gear are frequently listed for free, especially when people move houses or apartments. Often, these items require minimal cleaning or simple repairs and can easily be resold for decent cash. But what's the easiest way to quickly gauge if outdoor equipment is actually sellable or if it's junk? There's a quick test you can use right at pickup. I'll reveal it soon. Now you're probably thinking, picking up all this free stuff sounds great, but won't transportation be a hassle or expensive? Actually, there's a smart way to handle this easily without spending a fortune on a truck rental. I've got a clever transportation hack coming up that's going to save you a ton of time and money. So far, we've covered exactly what flipping free items is, how to source them quickly, and which categories are the most profitable. But there's a key question we haven't addressed yet: where exactly should you be selling these items to make maximum profit fast? In just a second, I'm going to share the best platforms for flipping your free finds, along with powerful tips to ensure your items sell quickly at the highest possible prices. Plus, I'll explain exactly how to automate your search process to snag high-value free items before anyone else even notices them. And remember, I still owe you those simple methods for quickly checking electronics, verifying baby items, and testing outdoor gear. These easy yet critical checks will help you avoid costly mistakes and ensure your flipping side hustle becomes a reliable stream of income. Ready to find out how you can turn absolutely free items into hundreds of dollars every single week? Let's dive even deeper right now. Let's jump straight into the most profitable selling platforms. The number one platform for quickly flipping your free finds is right back on Facebook Marketplace. Think about it. You're already sourcing free items here, making it super convenient to relist and resell them. When you create your listings, use clear, well-lit photos and detailed descriptions that emphasize condition, dimensions, and any improvements you've made. Good descriptions and visuals instantly boost your item's perceived value and make it sell faster. But don't stop there. Another excellent platform is OfferUp. This app attracts thousands of motivated buyers looking for affordable used items every day. When listing here, set your price slightly higher than your target selling price because buyers often negotiate. This way, you create room for negotiation while still hitting your profit goals. Sounds smart, right? Now, remember when I mentioned automation? Here's the simple method to beat other flippers to the best free finds. Set up automated alerts. You can use services like IFTTT or email alerts directly from Facebook to notify you instantly when new free items in your chosen categories appear. This technique ensures you'll always be among the first responders, dramatically increasing your chances of grabbing valuable freebies before anyone else. Next, let's quickly cover the essential tips I promised to help you confidently check electronics, baby items, and outdoor gear. For electronics, carry a small power bank and cable in your car to test on the spot. Just a quick plug-in can confirm whether the device powers up and works. For baby items, always quickly check product recall websites by entering the item's brand and model. This takes just seconds and guarantees safety and resellability. When picking up outdoor gear, perform the quick test. Visually inspect items like bikes or grills for obvious damage or rust. Simple functions tests like spinning wheels or checking propane connections ensure you're not wasting time. These quick assessments help you confidently select items with strong resale value. Now, what about transportation? Renting trucks can get pricey, but there's a sneaky, cost-effective solution. Schedule multiple pickups in one day and rent a vehicle just for that day, maximizing your time and investment. Alternatively, partner with a friend or family member who has a suitable vehicle and split some of the profits, turning the transportation hassle into a win-win situation. By this point, you have a clear, step-by-step strategy to start flipping free items into real money every week. Remember, consistency is key. If you dedicate just a few hours a week to sourcing, inspecting, and listing these free items, hitting that $500 weekly target quickly becomes a realistic goal. Many flippers regularly surpass that amount once they establish a reliable system. But here's an extra pro tip. Build relationships with people who regularly give away items, like those who frequently move or remodel homes. Creating these connections means they'll often message you directly about valuable freebies before listing them publicly, giving you an exclusive advantage. So what's holding you back? Now, you know exactly where to find free items, how to quickly verify their value, the best platforms for reselling, and how to streamline the entire process to maximize profit and minimize hassle. I'm genuinely curious. Are you ready to start flipping free stuff? Which items are you most excited to find first? Drop your thoughts and plans in the comments. I always love hearing about your hustle success. If you got value from this video, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications because I've got even more profitable, easy-to-start side hustles lined up for you soon. Thanks for spending your time with me today. Now, go out there and start flipping. I'll catch you in the next video.